Mechanoreceptors at the bottom of the feet are constantly communicating important sensory information to the central nervous system. Mechanoreceptors are sensory end organs that detect changes in pressure, informing the central nervous system about balance during standing and walking activities. This results in a well-coordinated and stable gait. When these plantar mechanoreceptors are damaged due to peripheral neuropathy, pressure changes can no longer be detected, and the connection between the feet and the central nervous system is lost. This results in an uncoordinated and unstable gait, increasing the risk of falls. Walkasins is a sensory prosthesis for patients with peripheral neuropathy who present with gait and balance impairments. It is clinically proven to improve balance and mobility and reduce the risk of falling. Walkasins replace the connection between the feet and the central nervous system. Receptor soles detect changes in plantar pressure during standing and walking. This information is transmitted to the haptic modules, which evaluate balance and deliver direction-specific sensory stimuli to functioning nerves around the lower leg. This new sensory information is integrated by the central nervous system to replace part of the lost foot sensation, resulting in improved gait and balance. If you have peripheral neuropathy and experience problems with your balance, speak with your doctor to see if you would be a candidate for Walkasins.